Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add Salesforce API on Google Chat. Actually, it's really easy. What you have to do, you open your Gmail on your Google Chat tab section over here. You can click this new chat and then you can find apps. You just click find apps. And then as you can see on the feature apps, the Salesforce is on the right on my screen. But some cases the Salesforce application is not showing up. You just find Salesforce like this, and then you can add to space or you just chat on the Salesforce. So for example, I will chat on the Salesforce, and then this is the app, and then you have to sign into your Salesforce account so you can do invoicing or anything you can do on regularly on the Salesforce application. So that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.